In this video, I will show you how to schedule California DMV permit test online. So the first thing you need to do is go to the dmv.ca.gov portal, and then after that scroll all the way down until you see the driving permit. So here it is. And then click on apply for instruction. And then after that, click on learner's permit. And here you will see the step-by-step or instruction that you will need to follow to apply a California instruction permit. So, the first thing you need to do is click on these California drivers and then click on start application here. And then click on next, and then you need to create a DMV account and click on continue. And after that, click on schedule an appointment. And here you will see a lot of locations that will near at your place, and then click on select location, and you will see it has a slots here. So for example, I will click on 18, which is Tuesday, so this is the slots. And then I will choose a time. So for example, this, and click on confirm. And then you need to fill out this information, the first name, last name, email, phone number, and then click on continue. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.